Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Learn Tech with Kiran. Today's session is all about what is meant by ambiguous grammar, example with its explanation. Then we will discuss about where ambiguity is a problem, and lastly we discuss why ambiguity occurs. Okay, so let's start the session with ambiguous grammar and ambiguity in grammar. Now, what is mean by ambiguous grammar? A grammar is called ambiguous when for at least one string in the language can be generated more than one way, okay, which is mean it results in a more than one parse tree for a single string by same grammar. Okay, a context free grammar G such that some words has two parse tree is said to be ambiguous grammar. Okay, so basically simplified way, one string having a two or more meaning or more than one parse tree generation with the help of grammar. That grammar is nothing but a ambiguous grammar. Okay, as mentioned in above description, grammar contain two parse tree for a single string, and that's why grammar does not clarify or clearly define how string should be grouped or interpreted, or you can say designed. Due to this unclear structure, the same input can have multiple interpretations, which create confusion in compiler designing and in expression parsing. So we try to eliminate ambiguity by rewriting grammar or by defining clear rules. Before this, let's take a look of given generalized example. Consider the sentence as a grammar. Now classes on the table. Okay, table have a two meaning as we looking into image. Okay, text to image converter model can generate both of images, for example this one also and this one also, because here your eyeglasses or glasses is on table, as well as this image also correct because there are two glasses, these are on table. So that's why basically these both are same or the both are correct. Okay, this situation creating a ambiguity for your text to image converter model. Okay, now here you can see your glasses on the table, text to image supposed to be convert into this one, but it may be generate a output this image also. Okay, so this is nothing but a ambiguity in a sentence or in a grammar. Okay, hope you understand this. Let's discuss ambiguous grammar. This is a grammar defined. Okay, now we have to generate a string or a equation a plus a multiplied by b. From this grammar we have to generate a this string. Now this is a one parse tree which is generate a plus a multiplied by b. So in this we substitute this s as a s plus s first, then this s is substituted with a. For right hand side tree, your s substituted with s multiplied by s. Now this s is substituted with a, this s substituted with b. Your string is generated a plus a multiplied by b. Okay, now let's consider second tree. Here you can see this s is substituted with s multiplied by s. Here your addition operation perform first, or here your addition rule is substituted first, but in this tree you substituted a second rule which is nothing but s multiplied by s. Now this s substituted with s plus s. Okay, and this s substituted with a, this s substituted with a. In right hand side your s substituted with b. Okay, now here you can see the generated string is a plus a multiplied by b. So basically from this both of the parse tree your string is generated a plus a multiplied by b. It means this grammar is ambiguous. Okay, both of this parse tree generated from same grammar, just sequence of applying the rule is different, correct? So your parse tree is designed differently, but it may be problematic when we are designing a compiler. Okay, so following are some problems may generate or occur due to this ambiguity. First one is multiple interpretations of the same input. Okay, so during this a single string can be passed in more than one way. Okay, so this means the same input has two different parse tree, and it create confusion in understanding the actual structure. Okay, in previous example we discussed one string, and for that we design a two parse tree from a same grammar. Okay, so this may create a confusion also. Okay, Now, second one is a confusion in compiler design. As your compiler is rely on your unique parse tree, correct? So ambiguity is directly makes your compiler design unreliable as well as inconsistent. Okay. Now next one is incorrect meaning during parsing. If your compiler is wrongly interpreted any of the equation or any of the string, for example above string a plus a multiplied by b, so the output may become a incorrect. Okay, in some of cases it will generate a another output, in some of the cases it will generate a another output, and that output may create your ambiguity. Okay, that's why this is more complicated to deal with such a string or such a grammar for a your parser. Okay, now difficulty in syntax analysis. Due to that your ambiguity maybe break the parser. Okay, because your parser become confused which rule supposed to be apply, and due to that it cannot be used with deterministic parser. Okay, so these are some problems which may generated due to ambiguity in your grammar. Now why this ambiguity occurs? Okay, these are some basic mistake during grammar design are happened, and due to that ambiguity is occur. Okay, like undefined operator precedence, undefined associativity, then overlapping of production rules, and most important loose grammar design, and due to this that grammar become maybe generated ambiguous. Okay, so these are some basic mistake while designing a grammar, and due to this your grammar may generated ambiguous. Okay, I hope you understand this. That's it for today's session. I hope you understand the concept of ambiguous grammar, its example, those problems are generated due to ambiguity, and why ambiguity occurs. In next video, we discuss one more important topic from theory of computation. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.